Your AirPods sound too quiet even at full volume? Don't crank it to the max. You'll damage your ears and your AirPods. Today, I'll show you how to make them louder safely. Many people think AirPods are always quiet, but in reality, there are settings and hacks that increase volume safely. And yes, these work for iPhone, Android, and even Windows laptops. 1. Check device volume and app volume. Sometimes your phone's media volume is limited, or the app you're using has its own volume control. Make sure system volume is maxed. Check YouTube, Spotify, or TikTok volume settings. You'd be surprised how much difference this makes. 2. Turn off volume limit or sound check. On iPhone, settings music volume limit set to max, settings music sound check off. Android devices may have similar options called safe volume or volume limiter. This unlocks full output without damaging AirPods. 3. Adjust EQ settings. EQ can make music sound louder and fuller. On iPhone, settings music EQ late night or bass booster. On Android, use your music app EQ to boost mid and high frequencies. Makes music punchier. 4. Keep AirPods clean. Wax or dust blocks the speaker grills. Gently clean with a soft brush or microfiber cloth. Even slight blockage can reduce volume by 30%. 5. Reset or repair AirPods. Sometimes firmware glitches reduce output. Reset, reconnect, and test. Most of the time, this fixes audio performance. If your AirPods still sound weak, bring them to Bemi Gadgets. We test, clean, repair, and sell original AirPods that blast music at the proper volume. We are your go-to plug for gadgets in Lagos.